what's up guys, it's Savages Riders here on
We're just
second video on the vlog. We're walking a dog. That's Cop Gamer 222. Let's walk it. Do you want me to walk the dog?
Where do we go?
And take this.
Oh yeah, it's that Gaming Black Dragons content today.
Yeah, it's this way, Princess.
Princess.
There will be another film coming up tomorrow. I'm going to the cinema. I obviously won't be able to record the movie.
But he'll record what day. So I won't film content from where I am. He'll be the one filming all the content, but if I can and yeah. Oh yeah, that's my finger.
If you guys don't like the outro, the beat, I can change it if you want.
Yeah, that's what we plan to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
City had closed down because that was our favourite place. Hold it with your hands, please. I don't want to smash it. This way.
Well, there's loads of other good places like Vlogstar and that.
Yeah,
that's where I made my Cop Gamer 222 intro. And if you haven't subscribed to the Gaming Black Dragons, then
don't
do.
Need more channels, do we now?
Nah.
Poor Red Panda, he has no content at all. He failed to do his other video.
Yep, he is forever in our shadows, and we're going. I just want to thank.
Not long until we do our 60 subscriber special.
And that's the
subscriber special.
21.
Yeah, we got not long until that. We're 16.
Yeah, but today is 16, and we're 4 off from 20.
Oh,
Who would have believed that at the start of this month? We were on 12, and we just going for. So she's just going for a wee.
Right, look at me. Right, I can't wait because we might record a video on Wreckfest if it works. Red Panda's.
That's what we're doing the Fortnite split screen. So be aware to look out for that on our channel.
Playing Red Panda's Xbox today.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna take his Xbox over.
There's a cat in the tree.
Oh look, cat in the tree. So yeah, we're just walking the dog.
Like, what is going on?
I know. So yeah, if you haven't. Yeah, this is just the Savages or Us video. That's what we're going to kick it off with.
Yeah.
Before we record though, we're going to have a secret YouTube meeting behind closed doors, seeing as that treacherous, awful panda isn't there.
We were meant to do it for a panda, but we're going to keep it secret, guys, okay?
There you go.
You could keep the camera view on me if you want.
See,
you can. I might have focused them. I hope
so
you
yeah,
guys
don't expect long vlogs either.
Nah, they'll be like 10 minutes long.
They'll be like 10. I mean, if there's any places where we go, like, say, went out walking. Yeah, we're just currently walking Princess the dog.
Right.
Great dog.
Guys, we hope you do not storm our place because we're not allowed to tell you our address. If you're wondering what our sign is, do you like our Savages Riders picture?
Yeah. We plan to have.
Right, do not storm us. But down here, magic leaves. 1 minute they'll hit, next minute they're gone.
Do you know when I was in Highview and I lived on another road, this route was the exact route. I went under that bridge and walked to school when I was back in my olden.
That's basically telling if viewers live in Folkestone, this is where we live.
We do live in. But yeah, this channel is a great opportunity to show you more of what we do outside the gaming world. See, look at that. That is just disgraceful. Like, this town has been ruined.
Yeah, it looked beautiful back about 25 years ago. With an actual pier, don't record civilians. Just us.
That's the block. I actually don't live in this area. I live in a different area of town.
Yeah, this is where.
But I've been actually recording more videos recently this month than he has. So maybe. I wonder.
I've been trying to record for the vlog channel, obviously.
Yeah, this is where I used to walk. I used to walk past this block when I went to school. Come on, Princess.
Any of you guys can translate what they're saying, that'd be great, thanks.
Yeah, do subscribe to us. And subscribe to the Gaming Black Dragons, because that's where I'm.
We're not forcing you. If you want to join the army of the Black Dragons and the army of the
the Black Dragons, the Savage Army.
If you want to, that's your choice. We're not forcing you.
Yeah. But yeah, this is. If you don't know what Folkestone is, that's actually
I hate when people
Sugar
do
Life.
that to their kids.
What?
Like put them as like models and that.
Yeah. See, that is Sugar Life Hill, the most famous hill in this.
Which
In the-
caused 2
in-
years ago.
Yeah, in Folkestone.
Bushfire.
No, that was the Round Hill
It was
Tunnel.
caused by someone.
That was before. That was way before the game in Black Dragons and Savages.
Yeah, that was when, like, let's just say the bushfires were happening in Folkestone. Basically, oil caused the bushfire. Like, makes your princess standing in that mud. Oh my god, who would leave all that food open? I want one. Oh. Make
Right.
sure not to record any of the license plates. We don't want any.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Be careful, mud. It's just disgraceful. People should clean up after them.
See, look.
I wish I
So yeah,
recorded
expect
what-
loads of game in Black Dragons.
Oh really?
That's a nice plate. So, say hi, Princess. Are you a Savages or us?
Yes.
You are. You are.
What is she a black dragon?
Oh yeah. We should make posters, shouldn't we? If you want
Yeah.
posters,
We need
mate.
to make merch.
Have-
When
We actually need to make a poster to tell everyone to
when we
subscribe to
grow really
us
big,
too.
like a fat 100,000, when we get a bronze play button.
Which
Imagine that.
which is miles away, obviously.
Do you want to have the game in Black Dragons bronze play button once we got it?
It should
and I-
remain in our main studio, which is up
Yeah,
there.
but I need to put the Savages Royale play button where it belongs.
But yeah, this is where this is where it belongs. So we're having so much fun. After lunch we'll have the celebration.
Yeah.
But yeah, there you go.
We're gonna leave this here. I hope you enjoy
And
this video. If you want, subscribe, like, and put post notifications on.
subscribe to the
That is
game
your
in Black
choice.
Dragons.
Yeah, we're not forcing you to join the Savage Army.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Cheers.
Bye.
Peace.